Hello everyone, I'm Oath, Thai in the United States. I purchased 2 new grill pans from Wayfair. I gave away my pans, including my favorite pan I got from the lady I cleaned her house. She also get rid of her pans and I asked if I could take it and she said yes. I really like that pants, and also the other one was square shape. Her pan was round shape with rough wavering. I try to think about the word what it's called. It's not flat, it has like a curve on the surface of the pan, you will see. And then I thought about purchase iron pan or ceramic pan, but I changed my mind because both of them are heavy. And I thought about, do I really like to use heavy pan? And plus, the price of them expensive, but I look again, it's not that expensive. Anyway, I decided to purchase just regular pan that people use. And then I'm not sure about which one. I found on eBay, Amazon, and in the store, and end up like I purchased them from Wayfair. Both of them just came and the price was less than 20 each. I don't remember the price. I am using for the first time right now. I cook sausage. Normally I cook sausage in the oven, but sometimes I would like to cook in the pan, same like grill outside in summer, but in the winter I could not stay outside, and I think people don't like to do barbecue outside in the winter, right? Anyway, I cook sausage and then I make macaroni. My husband like to have sausage with macaroni, and I cook macaroni as his way. He always add oil in the boiling water to prevent macaroni stick to each other. And then later on I cook ham. I made mashed potato. I am really love my mashed potato since long time ago, more than 10 years. I found the way to make my own mashed potato, and I never bought mashed potato. I don't like to eat mashed potato in a box. Normally I don't like to eat food in the box much, including frozen food. My husband used to have frozen food for his lunch, and one day I cook supper and add more amount than enough for packing his lunch box too. And since then he never buy frozen food again, so I also prepare him lunch box today. Enjoy my video. Have a great day. Bye.